Traditional division. Okay, once again, you have to know your multiplication facts in order to do this. That's one thing that we need to focus on, is learning those facts, just as in the multiplication video. I'm going to show you a simple division problem. We're going to divide by fives because most of us know our fives. So let's try 735 divided by 5. When I teach division, I tell my children to do something called bumpers. Bumpers like used in the bowling alley that keeps your ball in that lane. When we're doing division, we want to separate these numbers because the reason we get confused on division is we're scared of 735, but we're not looking at 735. We're actually going to look at it per place. So we're going to put bumpers in here, which means just basically lines. And then I also tell my kids that we bump and cover, meaning I only look at that 7 first. So if I'm only looking at that 7, I know 5 fits in the 7 one time. 1 times 5, because I'm trying to get as many out of this 5 and this 7 as I can, so 1 times 5 is 5. Notice I'm not even looking at the 3 and 5 right now. 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay, so our steps to division are: how many go in, subtract, drop. So we're going to drop our next 3. And we're back to step number 1, which is how many go in again. The only thing I'm looking at in this whole problem is this 23 right here. And I'm looking at my groups of 5. I know 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 is my perfect number because it doesn't go too far. I know 4 times my 5 is 20. Okay, so once again, how many go in, subtract, drop. Now our new target number, the only number I'm looking at, is 35. None of this stuff matters right now, just the 35. So the only thing that I'm looking at is the 35 and this 5. I know 5 times 7 is 35, so 7 times my 5, 35. I have nothing left over. I have nothing else to drop, so I am done. And I also have no remainder, which is important as well. So my answer is 147.